everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Memorial Day weekend. Today I just wanted to focus on some things that I would eat at a barbecue since it is Memorial Day weekend. So we wanted to do some vegan hot dogs, as you can see right there. So I'm going to have a recipe for that, as well as a vegan potato salad. Now I love potato salad, and we all know everyone can't make a good potato salad, but this recipe is so delicious. And if you can see those little white textures in there, that's to recreate like a egg white, because I used to love my potato salad with eggs in it. So I have a recipe for that coming up as well. And followed by the potato salad, I have the corn on the cob, obviously a very popular item to have at a barbecue. This one is with a ranch and butter sauce, cheddar cheese on top, and a ranch drizzle, and some seitan crumble to mimic bacon. So stay tuned, and happy Memorial Day weekend. Alright guys, if you're uninterested in having that egg texture in your potato salad, then you can skip to the section of this video where you're making the potato salad. I'll put that in the description. However, if before you went vegan you enjoyed that egg texture in your potato salad and it's something you want to replicate in a vegan potato salad, then stay tuned and I'll show you how I got that egg yolk and the white part of the egg in my potato salad. Okay? Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will try these vegan treats at your next barbecue. As always, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at insatiable_vegan. And if you like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you're notified every time I post a new video. I thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great holiday weekend. Bye.